everybody. Yeah, it is that time again. Wait a minute, I'm doing wrong here. Yep, time to go to work. But I'm only moving from here down to the Flying J. I gotta go down there and get fuel. I didn't get fuel yesterday in Texas, and I need fuel. I'm probably only gonna fill up one tank, just so I can have enough to get back to McCalla. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. So with that being said, let's get rolling. Yeah, I got somebody behind me. I can't roll back or I'll mess them up, but yeah, let's get out of here. Can't see through the trucks, but there's people parked long ways behind this whole row of trucks here. Yeah. Anywho, yeah, we only got to go a couple miles up here to the Flying J. Our fuel, and then we'll get on the road. There, that's better. Looking straight down there for a minute. The video yesterday, you know, my internet wasn't all that great. You know, I'm sitting this close to free. I don't know if it was stuck in between Texas towers and Louisiana towers or what was going on, but the internet wasn't that great. So I started the video upload yesterday. About, I don't know, I parked at 5 o'clock, and by 6 o'clock, I started to upload, and it was still going this morning. Whenever I got up, I had to do some fancy phone tricks to get it to work. You know, restarts, and had to go from my mobile hotspot to my jet, or not, I had to go from my jetpack to my mobile hotspot to get it to finish uploading. Mobile hotspot's 5G, and it tends to work a little better sometimes, but there again, it only had 1 bar of service on that too, so it wasn't that great either, but it was good enough to get the upload out. But anywho, yeah, we fixing to pull over here to this Flying J and do what we got to do, and then I'll get back with y'all when we get rolling. Alrighty, folks, it's time to go. Well, get back, we got Cross Lake. Alright, here we are, Cross Lake, folks. Yeah. Can't see much this morning. And there it is on there, but anywho, alright, I'll get back. Alrighty, folks. We're getting back on the I-20 now. Well, it's 4:30 in the morning here. 5:30 my time. 65 degrees. So yeah, this damn bipolar weather got my damn nose all messed up, but you know, it is what it is. I got to get my focus locked because it keeps wanting to. Alright, there we go. That's a little better. Anywho, yeah, we almost have been Monroe. I don't know if I still got to meet that other driver. Last I was told, I'd have to meet up with Peanut Brain, but I don't know. He ain't told me no more since yesterday. So I don't know. Well, he's got Peanut Brain, that's why I'm having to stay out instead of go home for the truck show. He's got to go home. He's got to move. So yeah. That's why I couldn't go home to the truck show because he's having to go home and get moved. I mean, I probably could have went home, but the boss man asked me if I could stay, and I stayed. Jackson. There's supposed to be a wreck right here somewhere, but I hadn't seen the wreck. I done passed the exit where they said the wreck was. But this is just normal traffic here anymore. Yeah. Oh well. We'll get through here when we get through here. I think I see it up here now. It said it was at Chastain Road, but where I see the lights at up here, I've already passed Chastain Road. So yeah. Yep, I'm gonna see it up here now. Traffic. Wasn't too bad. Another accident on the westbound side, but it's off on the shoulder. Working on 55 here in Jackson. They need to be working on I-20 through Jackson too. But oh well, maybe they will when they get done with 55. I don't know. Back. Yes sir, yes sir, that's what I'm talking about. Yes sir, yes sir. Yeah, that orange one was pretty sweet, stretched out, huh? Yes sir. Anywho, this shit done come up on the dash this time and it ain't went out. Yep. Well folks, I stopped here for a shower, come back out to this. It's just great. That means the truck won't do 5 miles an hour. That's it. Well, folks, I got parked into a spot now. Now the plan is disconnect all the batteries and see if we can reset the computer. So, yeah, let's try that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, folks, I think we got it fixed, but the guy forgot his computer to force the regen, so he had to leave and go get his computer. Had to put a DPF pump on here. It was leaking on the back side of the DPF tank, so we had to put a DPF pump on here. But here, let me show y'all some pictures. See, there's one of the pictures. there's another one. That's the back side of the DPF tank. Right there's where the DEF fluid, yeah. And that's where it's leaking from. That's the pump, and they had to replace that. See, that's the tank there. So all along it's probably that right there that I've been having problems with. Yes sir, yes sir, that's what I'm talking about. Yep. Yes sir, that's what I'm talking about. Yep. Alright folks, truck is repaired now. I'm pulling around here to park. Get me something to eat, which I already got my food. I got a 6-inch steak. I ain't even that hungry. It's been a long day. I just want to eat and go to bed. Tired. Anywho, so yeah. With that being said, that's going to be the end of today's video. If y'all made it this far, thanks for watching TTVE, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.